Okay, so welcome to this very windy Sunday here in Beijing. The weather changed a lot. I was outside in the sun biking earlier because the parks are closed today, so I'm really excited. And something else I'm really excited about is trying some spicy Chongqing noodles here. I haven't had spicy noodles in a while, but I really felt like something from like Chengdu or Chongqing. So that is looking very nice. I'm gonna order that and then we'll try it out. Got a lot of cool choices here in the background. I think I'm gonna have something with pork or beef and a lot of spices. Let's see. I'm gonna have the one up here. It's like a mix of pork and beef and noodles. Looking fantastic. We got the noodles here, 32 RMB, very fast. XIAO MIAN, interesting. Unfortunately, it's raining, so I don't think I can sit outside. So I gotta sit at home and try it, which is a bit boring, but I really hope that it will open up more, and then I'm gonna try to sit out and try a lot of restaurants and dinners. So let me know if you want to see more of that, then write and leave a comment and maybe subscribe if you want to see more. So let's go inside and eat. Okay, so the weather changed in 5 minutes from like rain and wind to sunshine, and I'm extremely happy I'm here. Someone's unlocking a bike in the background, but I'm just gonna try. I'm gonna take a look at these crazy noodles here. Some minced pork, I think, here, and we have some, I don't know, like kind of beans here. Let's try it. I'm gonna try definitely with the pork here first, and we're gonna dig in the noodles. Take a look at this piece here. Let's try it. Minced pork, that is nice. Once again, I'm pretty sure this is gonna get messy, so I'm warning you guys, it's gonna be oily as well, but let's dig in here. Get a bit of the noodle bite. That is good. And these dried beans here, I'm not sure if you can see. Very crunchy and crispy, I think. Yeah, so good. Kind of looks a little bit like peanuts, I'm a bit worried, but so nice. That is good. Yes, I think I'm supposed to take this out and like flip everything down in the oil underneath, but I want to try this thing before I do that. Let's try a bit of this. I don't know, maybe it's tofu? I'm not sure what this is. Let's try. It's probably like chickpeas. Very nice. Okay, now let's ruin everything by putting it in the sauce and get some chili. Wow, okay. That is some chili oil. So apparently I'm gonna dip everything in here. It's gonna get crazy. Oh, I'm not sure if you can see here. Let's see if we can have a look. Oil this, oil. Oh, it's basically an ocean of chili oil here. Okay, so I don't think you can see inside here. It's crazy oil. I don't want to take up the camera, so I'm gonna pour it here instead, and then you're definitely gonna see how crazy red this is. Oh, that is a lot of oil. That is for sure. Oh, it's messy everywhere. Wow, it's dripping everywhere. Yeah, you can see it's like falling over, dripping here. Let's try it. It's the Chongqing spice, so let's see. It is looking crazy good and smelling crazy good too. We definitely get the spice, and I'm sure I'm gonna have oil everywhere. You get this kind of chili pieces here. So nice. Mix it around a little bit. I'm sure it's much nicer if you actually get this served in the restaurant, but what can you do? Go crazy. And I apologize in advance, I'm gonna have oil everywhere. You don't get it in napkins, you have to like buy them separately. But I don't care. Okay, let's try the chickpea huge. Wow. Wow, take a look at this mountain here. Oh, let's try it. That is crazy good. So rewarding and just like feel calm. Chili oil everywhere. And I went out for a long bike ride this morning actually, and then I realized the park is open, so I could actually walk in the park and do exercise. Then I get this reward. Now it's noon, so I haven't eaten anything, so that's how I balance eating this kind of crazy stuff here and still kind of maintaining my shape. So wow, time for enjoyment. It's a bit of a carb overload, that's for sure, but we also get a little bit of meat at least, but I'm gonna cook more to compensate, so no problem. This is just so insanely good. Probably one of the best noodles I've had in a while. It's just next to my place, Chongqing. And one of the places I really want to go to in China is Chengdu and Chongqing. Sichuan is the capital of Sichuan province, and Chongqing used to be actually part of the Sichuan province, but it's now a kind of municipality, I think, so it's kind of separate. But it's so nice, so spicy. So I think I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this craziness. Just maybe refill a little bit of oil here. Ooh, nice. a bit of extra spice in there. Take my time and just enjoy this. But if you want to see more of this kind of food related content, random stuff I'm trying out, let me know. Otherwise I'm going to leave you here so if you want to see more, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.